Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you what to do if your ACER Predator 17 is not turning on. So to turn it on, you need to press on the power button, the triangular one, and once you do that, wait until it turns on. If it doesn't, then try pressing and holding the button and see if it works. If it still doesn't, then try plugging in the charger. And now, if it still doesn't work, try waiting until it charges a bit, like for half an hour, let's say. But if it was exposed to very cold temperatures for a long time, then you may need to have it plugged in for a bit longer than half an hour. And then, if you try turning it on and it doesn't work, maybe it's a problem with your charger. So, if your charger has any problems, then it may be because it's old and it has just broken, or that it's ingenuine. Ingenuine chargers tend to break pretty quickly, and I wouldn't suggest to get any at all, because it may even explode if it's like a very cheap, unauthorized, uncertified thing. So you should stick around some good chargers, probably from ACER, or if you want a replacement charger, get it from a reputable brand. Also, if you know someone that has the same charger for ACER laptop, then you may try to borrow it from them. Maybe theirs will work. And if it still doesn't work, nothing works, then I would seek some professional help, because maybe something's broken on your laptop. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.